10 healthy smoothies. Here are 10 different smoothie recipes that are packed with nutrients and can help boost your health. Green smoothie. 2 cups spinach. 1 banana. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. 1 tablespoon honey. 1 teaspoon grated ginger. Blend all ingredients until smooth. Berry blast smoothie. 1 cup mixed berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. 1 banana. 1 cup unsweetened vanilla almond milk. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Blend all ingredients until smooth. Tropical smoothie. 1 cup fresh pineapple. 1 banana. 1/2 cup coconut milk. 1/2 cup orange juice. Blend all ingredients until smooth. Chocolate peanut butter smoothie. 1 banana. 1 tablespoon cocoa powder. 1 tablespoon peanut butter. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. 1 tablespoon honey. Blend all ingredients until smooth. Creamy avocado smoothie. 1/2 avocado. 1 banana. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. 1 tablespoon honey. Blend all ingredients until smooth. Blueberry almond smoothie. 1 cup frozen blueberries. 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt. 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk. 1 tablespoon honey. 1 tablespoon almond butter. Blend all ingredients until smooth. Spicy mango smoothie. 1 cup frozen mango chunks. 1 banana. 1/2 teaspoon cayenne pepper. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. Blend all ingredients until smooth. Apple cinnamon smoothie. 1 apple, peeled and chopped. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt. 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk. 1 tablespoon honey. Blend all ingredients until smooth. Peach ginger smoothie. 1 cup frozen peaches. 1/2 teaspoon grated ginger. 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt. 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk. 1 tablespoon honey. Blend all ingredients until smooth. Carrot ginger smoothie. 1 cup chopped carrots. 1/2 teaspoon grated ginger. 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt. 1/2 cup unsweetened almond milk. 1 tablespoon honey. Blend all ingredients until smooth. These smoothies are all quick and easy to make, and they're perfect for a healthy breakfast or snack. Feel free to adjust the ingredients to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.